Hello students. Yesterday in our lecture we studied about how mosquitoes grow. We discussed many questions regarding it. Today we are going to live further. Okay. So here the think section is given. What it's supposed to think. Why do you think it talks about putting fish in a tank? What do you think fish eats? Yesterday we discussed this. तो क्या fish क्या खाती है और क्यों टैंक्स के अंदर फिश रखने को कहा जाता है? क्योंकि ये लार्वा होता है जो ओके तो फिश इट्स लार्वा ऑफ मॉस्किटोज एंड अदर इंसेक्ट्स. व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन ऑयल इज स्प्रेड ऑन वाटर? सो ऑयल will cover the water with extra layer which limits the supply of oxygen from the air, and so what will happen, the larvae that are growing inside the water will not get sufficient or enough oxygen and they'll die eventually. Understood? Now find out what you have to find out. So which diseases are spread by flies and how? कौन से diseases flies से होते हैं and how? So flies, how do they spread diseases? So flies when sit on flea, okay, they sit on various kinds of flea. Means you can say they sit on dirty things, some vomit, some patients excreta, and many other things. Okay, it will sit and then it will carry the disease causing microorganism on its leg and body, and it will sit on our food. Okay, you have seen many times whenever you go out and have some junk food, the flies will be flying over the food, they'll be sitting on the food and they'll making it dirty and contaminated. What does contamination mean? Means to make the thing dirty or to make the thing poisonous or slow poison, so that we can get affected or that food may harm us. Okay, so diseases caused by flies are typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, dysentery. Okay, now mosquito check. So divide your class into two to three groups. Each group will go around to check on one area in a school or around it. It must carefully note if water has collected anywhere and mark yes where it finds the stagnant water. तो कहाँ पे stagnant water मिलता है? Pot, cooler, tank, any open space in the ground or school, in a school ground, gutter, any other place. So you have to write, okay, over here. Since how many days has the water collected there? कितने दिन से वहाँ पे पानी collected था? Who is responsible for keeping this places clean? So who is responsible to keep this place clean, but he is not keeping it very well? Who is supposed to get the gutters and drains repaired? So who should repair the drains and gutters? Can any larva be seen in the collected water? Can you see any larva or anything else in that water? Now, has it caused any problem in your area? Right. So you are supposed to write something, okay, about you can write about 10 to 15 lines whether any problem is created due to that or not. Make a poster. So now you are supposed to make poster in a group. Make a poster with a message to keep the cooler, tank, drain and the area clean. Wherever water collects, put up a poster in and around your school. तो पोस्टर बनाओ, फिर उसकी जेरोक्स निकलवा दो और फिर लगाओ हर जगह पे ताकि लोग समझे. ओके, यू कैन स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल सो दैट they don't let the water get collected around them or in their area, and stop or prevent the disease causing microorganism, you can say disease causing mosquitoes from spreading. Find out who is responsible for keeping the area around your school clean. So who is responsible to keep the area clean? Write a letter from your class reporting your findings and suggestions. तो फिर रिपोर्ट बनाओ एक कि आपने क्या क्या ढूंढा, क्या क्या समझा और फिर क्या सजेशन है उस एरिया को क्लीन करने के, किस तरीके से वो क्लीन किया जा सकता है, क्या हम कर सकते हैं. ओके, फाइंड आउट टू whom the letter should be written and to which office it should be sent. तो कहाँ भेजा जाएगा? ओके नाउ सर्वे रिपोर्ट देखो यहाँ पे सर्वे रिपोर्ट है. सम चिल्ड्रन डिड दिस सर्वे. हियर आर 2 रिपोर्ट्स. तो वी फाउंड समथिंग ग्रीन अराउंड द टैप्स इन आवर स्कूल which is called algae. Due to algae, a kind of plant, it had also became slippery over there. So it has become slippery over there. People may slip, may fall. Algae spreads a lot during the rainy season. Algae is obviously spread in the rainy season because they get water. Now we think that there are some kinds of small plants that grow in water. So there are also some kinds of plants that also grow in water. Now group 2. What do have they written? Okay, let us find out. There is a pond near the school. At first you cannot see the water in the pond as it is completely covered with the plants. Okay, it is completely covered with the plants, so you cannot see the water. One auntie told us that these plants have grown themselves in the water. तो वो अपने हिसाब से ग्रो कर दिए हैं. Around the pond there are pits full of water. We also saw some lava in the water. As we moved around, lots of mosquitoes flew from the plant growing around. तो बहुत सारे mosquitoes तो plants के अंदर से बाहर निकले. Jaskirat feels that there are so many mosquitoes in her house because of this dirty pond nearby. तो जसकीरत को पता चला कि ये बाजू के अंदर ये जो तालाब जैसा कुछ भरा हुआ है ना, जिसकी वजह से मेरे घर में इतने सारे मच्छर आते हैं, वरना मेरे घर में इतने मच्छर तो थे ही नहीं. Now tell, is there a pond or a river around your house or a school? हमारे है मानसरोवर. Go and look around and observe the things. मत जाना यहाँ पे. ओके, आपके घर के आजू बाजू में कोई कई जगह पे अगर पानी भरा हुआ हो, छोटा सा कोई खड्डा वड्डा हो, तो वहाँ पे जाके देखो कितने मॉस्किटो होते हैं पानी के ऊपर तैरते रहते हैं ऐसे बैठ के. कैन यू सी एल्गे इन और अराउंड द वाटर? कैन यू सी द एल्गे? वेयर एल्स हैव यू सीन एल्गे? और कहाँ पे आपने एल्गेस देखी हुई है? डू यू थिंक दिस आर प्लांट बाय समवन और डिड दे ग्रो ऑन देयर ओन? तो किसी ने प्लांट किया है एल्गे को, अपने हिसाब से ग्रो हो गई है. व्हाट एल्स कैन यू सी इन अ वाटर? मेक अ लिस्ट. दूसरा क्या देख सकते हो आप वाटर के अंदर? लिस्ट बनाओ. द साइंटिस्ट पिप्स इनटू द मॉस्किटोज कम. द इंटरेस्टिंग इंसिडेंट टुक प्लेस almost 100 years ago. A scientist found that mosquitoes spread malaria. Let us read about this discovery in his own words. So my father was a general in the Indian Army. I studied to become a doctor. But what I really liked was reading stories, writing poetry, music and drama. In my free time I enjoy doing all this. रोनाल्ड रोज क्या नाम है, तो वो एंजॉय करते थे ये सब करने में. So he enjoyed doing this. Okay. Now in those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease that we all call now mosquito. तो उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे लोग थे वो मॉस्किटो से मलेरिया से मर रहे थे. द डिसीज वॉज फाउंड इन द एरियाज वेयर देयर वर लॉट ऑफ रेन. तो वहाँ पे जब बहुत सारी बारिश होती है ना वहाँ पे, और इन अ स्वैम्पी प्लेसेस, मतलब जहाँ पे पानी इकट्ठा रहता है और ऐसी जगह पे. People thought that the illness was caused by some poisonous gas that came from the dirty swamp area. तो लोगों को ऐसा लगता था कि poisonous gas से जो स्वैम्पी एरिया से आ रहा है जो गैस, उसके कारण ऐसे सब बीमार हो रहे. They gave it name malaria. सबने उसको नाम मलेरिया दिया. Which means a bad air. उसका मतलब क्या होता है? Bad air. One doctor had seen tiny germs in the blood of one of the patients. When he observed it under a microscope, तो जब माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर ब्लड को देखा तो उसने टाइनी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स देखे. बट ही कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दिस हैड गॉट इनटू द पेशेंट ब्लड. तो उसको पता नहीं था कि पेशेंट के ब्लड के अंदर कैसे पहुंचे. माई प्रोफेसर हैड सम आइडियाज अबाउट दिस. आई थिंक दैट दिस मे बी कैरिड बाय सम काइंड ऑफ मॉस्किटो. तो उसके प्रोफेसर ने बोला कोई मॉस्किटो से हुआ होगा. एज ए स्टूडेंट आई स्पेंड ऑल द टाइम चेजिंग द मॉस्किटोज टू कैच एंड ऑब्जर्व. वी यूज टू कैरी एम्प्टी बॉटल्स एंड अ केस mosquitoes after mosquitoes and chase mosquitoes after mosquitoes. Then we put the mosquito into the mosquito net in which there was a patient of malaria. जहाँ पे मलेरिया का पेशेंट था उसके अंदर रखा था. Mosquitoes would have feast biting the patients and the patients were paid 1 आना for allowing one mosquito to bite them. तो एक मॉस्किटो कटवाने के लिए उनको 1 आना दिया जाता था. नाउ क्या लिखा हुआ है? आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दोज डेज एट द हॉस्पिटल इन सिकंदराबाद हाउ वी यूज टू कट ओपन द मॉस्किटो स्टमक एंड peep into it. I would spend hours and hours bent over the microscope. By night my neck was would be stiff and my eyes would not see clearly. I used to be very hot, but we dared not fan over ourselves. तो हमने हवा नहीं ली थी अगर एज ऑल द मॉस्किटोज वुड फ्लाई ऑफ द ब्रिज. तो जब से हवा आएगी तो सारे के सारे मॉस्किटोज उड़ जाएंगे. वंस आई वॉज फेल इल विथ मलेरिया. आई स्पेंड मंथ्स like this with a microscope but could not find anything. One day we caught few mosquitoes and looked different. कुछ अलग दिखते थे. They were brownish with spotted wings. Then when I looked into the stomach of one female mosquitoes, I saw something black there. I looked closer and I saw tiny germs look just like the ones they were found in the blood of malaria patient. At last we had proof mosquitoes did spread malaria. In December 1902, Ronald Ross got the highest award for the discovery and the Nobel Prize for the medicine. In 1905, even as he lay dying, Ross last word was I will find something new. तो Ross last time में ऐसा ही बोलता है कि मैं कुछ ढूंढूंगा नया. Okay, what we have learned, तो हमने क्या पढ़ा हुआ है अभी तक. So what can you do so that mosquito do not breed in your house, school or neighboring? क्या कर सकते हो जो mosquito breed ना करे. How can you find out someone has malaria? किस तरीके से find out करोगे किसी को malaria है. Okay, so now our chapter is over. आपको मलेरिया के बारे में पता है, आपको मॉस्किटो के बारे में पता है, तो यू कैन राइट द आंसर्स. ओके, यू विल बी प्रोवाइडेड योर PDF attached with this video. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care. You should complete your work and stay home. Do not this is a season of getting ill, so do not get out without any reason or without some without needed. Should not roam. Should use mosquito net or some mosquito repellent like Mortein or or something like that. Okay, you can use any machine so that you can avoid biting by mosquitoes, and eat healthy food and homemade food. Do not eat outside food or junk food so that you can fall ill. Okay, then take care. Bye bye.